Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Citizens Bank Reloadable card by phone, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick activation. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your Citizens Bank Reloadable card or in the accompanying materials. Step 2. Have your prepaid card ready with the card number visible and accessible during the call. Step 3. Dial the Citizens Bank Reloadable card activation phone number from any phone. Step 4. Follow the automated phone system prompts to select the option for card activation. Step 5. When prompted, enter your complete card number using your phone's keypad. Step 6. Provide the security code or CVV from the back of your card when requested. Step 7. You may be asked to provide personal identification information such as your social security number or date of birth for verification purposes. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message indicating that your Citizens Bank Reloadable card has been successfully activated. You can now use your card for purchases and ATM transactions immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.